I was looking online for trying to find some ways to put keywords and meta relevance into the page tags of Artisteer. The meta tags should go into Artisteer pages for WordPress themes or Jamula themes or Drupal themes, whatever you have, or whatever you're making. Basically, what is a robots text file? It's a simple file going into public_HTML. How does it help your site? By allowing and disallowing certain search engines like Bing, Google, and Yahoo to crawl certain files. It's made in a simple WordPad file. The user agent star will allow everything to be crawled, and then you disallow what files you do not want crawled. It's always disallowed afterwards. Never allowed. The sitemap is plus your domain. So in other words, will be your domain / sitemap should go at the bottom of the robots file. You can find out more about sitemaps at schema.org, schema.org, or sitemaps.org. The sitemap comes in many mobile versions, desktop versions, tablet version is what you want to get a sitemap to do. I wouldn't recommend any other type of product. Sitemap does not work. So going into Artisteer themes, some of the meanesses I've created, drop down menus, a lot of work. So basically, to put these into this here, where you see is simple, going into properties. That's where we're finding these page tags. The meta description, the meta keywords, the content of the metadata. When you execute and export this theme, it's going to go into a file called content XML. Example would be shown as so. So we have a file called content, right? And inside that file is a content XML file. Some people want to demonstrate on how to put this into a header.php. That's not good. If you put it into every page, the content XML file, which is crawled by the robots and the robots text, so automatically you're not disallowing it. User agent star is going to allow this to be crawled. So the meta tags, meta keyword, meta description, as you see right here, are pushing this out through the other content to the pages. Okay, it's right here. Custom HTML equals the title browser content show title true, and show v menu and show in everything. So excuse me, your sitemaps, meta tags, keywords, and description are pushed out through the services, the contacts, whatever pages you create are in here. Whether it's your V menu, your home page, your content is all in here. So you know where that goes. And that pushes it out to the header.php. And also the page.php right here, which is going to show that meta content and metadata into every page. That's what you want. Because just putting it in one page is not good. You could do an index follow or an index no follow, you know, index equals no follow, so that that page does not get crawled. It's, if you don't want your blog scrolled, then you do an index no follow on blog equals blog. So that I'll do other courses on later. This is an example of, let's just say, okay, for an example, we're going into the page source, right? Right here is our meta tags. So this is the landing page of a page. Okay, so we have here our header, scaling down the header name, okay? Through this, our margins and so on and so forth, whatever we're using for scripts, plugins, not hard to tell it's WordPress. The meta name and description in the content is right here. The same order that it was in when I showed you in the theme. Your description, your keywords, and your author are relevant to this. So whatever keywords you put in are going to land in here in your keywords. Okay? So now if I go to the contact page, it's going to be the same thing. I should see same exact example. Description, keywords, meta name, so on. This is a good layout. Same thing, blog. We'll go there. Okay? We're going to see the same thing. So it's not only going, if you put it in the header.php, that's where it's going to go. It's going to go into the header.php. It's up to you. Wherever you want your meta tags to go, that's your prerogative. If that's the program artisteer, then I suggest that you do it according to what it says. Or your meta tags are not going to be properly set into your pages. Now, of course, the user agent star again allow all. This is what it should look like. And then when you're done with your sitemap, it should look like this. The domain / sitemap. So, you know, I make my own sitemaps. I don't go online and look for sitemaps. I hope this has helped you. Thank you for watching.